Most Americans grew up hearing the same advice. Work hard, save money, and someday you'll be financially secure. But Gen Z is changing the game completely. Instead of using traditional banks, they're using high-yield savings accounts, paying over 5%. Older generations ignored this opportunity for years. A normal savings account barely pays anything. $10,000 might earn enough for coffee. But Gen Z is earning hundreds, almost passively. With inflation, rent, and student loans rising, getting guaranteed 5% feels like a cheat code. Gen Z uses these accounts strategically. They keep emergency funds and travel savings there. Some even save for future homes. They combine this with Roth IRAs and 401ks to build wealth before turning 30. Banks are competing aggressively for deposits. That's why finance TikTok and YouTube exploded. For the first time, young people feel their money working. Gen Z watched millennials struggle with debt and housing costs, so now they care more about financial flexibility. Gen Z isn't waiting to become rich someday. They're making their money grow now, one interest payment at a time.